Hey guys, welcome back. Since last time we've made a lot of progress. I have lots of iron and stuff.
Iron sword, iron pickaxe, so that means I can mine diamonds. Dude, can you teleport me to where you are? I'm ready.
There's really no point. Do you have any iron on you that I can spare for an iron?
I only have 3.
That's exactly what I need because I need an iron pit.
Okay, then you need it.
See what? It's because I just wasted them on a full set and a sword.
So, you need 3?
You should smelt your other iron. Make into a pickaxe, make into a pickaxe. Okay, there we go. Let's explore. Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer. Okay. Dora. Did you get enough food? Ooh, more iron.
Yeah, I got enough food.
We're gonna have a lot of iron. I'm gonna try to get myself a full set of iron tools.
Oh, creeper. Today, Mr. Creeper.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, today.
Killing creepers in the PE version is a lot easier.
Yeah. He just decided to be a jerk and explode.
Yeah, creepers are jerks. Kids, and watch out for the creepers in Minecraft. A message from Donation Line. If I find more iron than I need, then I'll give some of it to you since I have more iron than you, obviously.
Yeah, because you have a full iron set.
Well, that's because I didn't waste it on full tools.
Well, hey, this stuff is important.
And I think I always get the set and the sword first, and then I get to go for the pickaxe. And the rest. And then I go for the pickaxe and the axe, and then the rest.
Did you see my phone?
How am I going to do this?
Where's my phone at?
Wow.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Thank you. I got it.
Okay. I got more iron.
Why don't you have any sound on? Alright, I'll be back. Hey, what are you doing? You went and eat yogurt and now you're eating that? Hey, Sarah, you just want your regular purse?
The sound has to be high up in order to hear it.
This purse here?
This is how I'm going to do it. Hey.
Dude, I already went up here. Just needs to addend and full cool.
Really? I'm just going to check.
Oh, here, I can give you some buckets.
Search down here. Dude, I found another dungeon. I found another dungeon.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, not mine. Wait. Let me
I'll take out the spawner.
nothing too good.
Ooh, I found some redstone in a music desk.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you found another chest?
Yeah. I've already looted everything though.
Yeah, doesn't matter. How did you find this place?
I just went down the stream of water.
Well, can we get back up?
Oh yeah.
Up here? Is this the stream you went up?
Wait,
Wait, stay down there and mind the moss.
Yeah, I went up this stream.
Stay down there and remind the moss.
Okay.
Yeah. I found more iron.
Okay, here's the stream.
I'm gonna place down a chest full of the stuff that we've collected.
Got some red mushrooms down here.
Ooh, Skeleton dropped his bow. We need some food.
Oh man, this water stream goes down far.
Gold.
Gold!
I'm teleporting to you.
I found Booter.
Well, the reason why I'm teleporting to you is because I need food.
Oh, shoot.
Let me get some of this.
Yeah, you can take the rest.
There, give me some food. Please.
Let's see. I got 4 butter ore.
What? Can I have some food?
Yeah, sure, take it. There, take it. Take it, baby bird.
How do you get down there?
I kept falling in the stream of water. I think it ends here, though. Yeah. Wait, it keeps going down.
It does?
Yeah, holy cow.
I'm just gonna follow you because I don't have any swordfish.
Okay, don't go in there, obviously. Ooh. Jeez, I saw my stuff.
You're still back there?
Yeah.
Oh, I followed the lava.
The stream keeps like going down. Oh, restaurant.
Well, I passed the lava and I found another set of lava that doesn't have gold.
I might have told you almost.
Where does the stream go? How do you get over there? Did you go up or down?
Down, obviously.
Like, I can't see anything.
The magical stream journey ends here.
I still need one food.
I got more steak. And bread. Steaks.
You passed some iron.
Oh, I didn't. All I need is some butter and some iron.
We can just live in a cave forever.
Yeah, but every once in a while we gotta go up for food.
Eventually we'll have to go up. We don't even have a house.
Yeah. And I'm out of torches as well, so.
Let's go. Let's go back up.
Oh wait, I only have 5 torches.
Yeah, that's why we have to go back up. We're rich.
I know.
I already filled up some stuff in the chest. That
We
don't
didn't
need.
find any diamonds though.
We found some music vests, which counts.
Yeah, pretty much.
I found horse armor,
wax
too.
as well.
I found some horse armor. Another skeleton. Oh, there he is. This time he's up here.
What the?
Another one.
A bat!
There's another one behind.
Deep sucker arrow.
Nothing down there. I already checked. But you can check over here.
I gotta use my torches wisely.
Well, if you find a dead end, just destroy the torches.
Oh yeah.
Wait, maybe there might be more. Nope, dead end.
Dead.
Take your torches with you when you come back up. Nope, dead end. Oh, I missed some iron.
Dude, so we might have enough iron to build an iron golem.
Maybe. I don't see that happening though.
I'm gonna put some.
I still don't have any tools, so that's why I'm saving up for it. I found a new path. You found more gold, didn't you?
Yes, but it's like guarded by lava.
Oh, then put some blocks.
Oh wait, I got an idea. Buckets.
Oh, you found buckets too? Because I still have the buckets. Oh, you took the buckets out of the chest.
Yeah. Water.
Ooh, water. I found a stream.
Okay,
Okay, we're done.